Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate your Nomad Esim. So now we have automatic eSIM installation. So if you have purchased a Nomad Esim using an eSIM compatible device, you will be prompted to install your eSIM upon successful purchase of your eSIM. And when that happens, you'll have to go to the Manage eSIM page in your Nomad iOS or Android app. Select the eSIM you want to install, select installation instructions, and then choose the option to add automatically. You can select install eSIM now, and then you can follow the on-screen instruction. But if you want to install it at a later date, or if you don't want to do it automatically, or there's a trouble with the automatic installation process, you can do it by two methods manually. I'm going to show you the recommended method, which is via a QR code. So on iOS, you have to go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan, and then scan the QR code. You get the QR code from the Nomad eSIM app. And then if you don't have a second screen to display your QR code, or if you're on iOS 17, you can load your QR code from your camera roll. Simply take a screenshot of the QR code from your email or your Nomad app, the one I mentioned earlier, and then select option to open photos when you are at the step to scan the QR code. If you are on Android or on Samsung, depending if you use a Pixel, and you just go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, add more, download the SIM instead, and then scan the QR code. If you're on Samsung, you go to Settings, Connection, SIM card manager, add mobile plan, and then scan the QR code as well.